Today I am going to discuss about how to make a contact management system developed using PHP and MySQL. This system allows user to perform the four basic database operations known as CRUD. C means create, like we can insert new contacts. R means read, display the contacts on the contact form. U for update means edit content details, like you can edit your name, address, etc. And the last one is delete, remove the contacts or remove the full contact, like remove the id, name, etc. Additionally, this system includes a WhatsApp messaging feature that allows user to open a chat directly from the stored phone number. To do it, we will first open the XAMPP and start the Apache as well as MySQL, because we are going to do it with MySQL. Start. Now we will open PHP MyAdmin. So we will open our browser. Here I will write http localhost php my, as you see it, I opened it. PHP MyAdmin is used to manage a MySQL databases through a graphical interface. Here we will write, click on PHP MyAdmin. It will take some time. As you see, it opened this PHP MyAdmin. Now click on the databases. Here click on new. It will take some time. Database name will be OBE_system. You can name anything. Click on create. It will take some time and database OBE has been created. Now we will create a table. Table name will be contact. Create. We will click on the SQL and here we will write down the queries. Create table contacts. It will create a table named contacts. ID int auto increment. It will increase the ID when some user adds its data. Primary key. It will be the primary key, like it will be unique and not null. Next column will be name, varchar, variable character 200, not null. Next will be mobile number. Mobile number, it will 20 because mobile number is not too large, and it will also not null. Next will be email, varchar 200, address varchar 300, address is varch, and close. Now we will click on the go. It will take some time, and as you see, empty result set queue, and so it has created our a table. The query that we have entered has created a table named contacts with 5 columns: ID, uniquely identified, name, mobile number, email, and address. The ID field is about to increment, as I have said earlier, meaning MySQL automatically generates a unique ID for each contact. Now we will create a folder. Here I will htdocs. It is a folder in the XAMPP. As you see, I have opened these PC windows here, XAMPP and htdocs. Here we will make a new folder, contact system or contact. This folder will contain all PHP files used in the project. Now we will open Visual Studio Code. Click on File, Open Folder. Here we will open our htdocs, XAMPP. Here is htdocs, and the folder name is contact system. Click on it. This select folder. As you see, we have our contact system in our workspace. So we will create a file by clicking here. And the file name will be db.php. Click enter and write the code for the database. php $, con is equal to mysqli connect. This is the function that is used to connect a database with the PHP file. Localhost host are the parameters. Here will be the password which will be null, so we will write just this, and the folder or database name OBE system. See, we have all four parameters in it. This is the server, this is the root, and this is the password, and this is the name of our database. Now we will add a if statement to check connection of the database. If not $sign connect database connection failed. And close it. We will close it, and you see now it's time to close the PHP file. This file will connect PHP with MySQL database. The function mysqli underscore connect requires four parameters, as I have already said. These are the parameters. This is the server name, that is localhost. This is the username, that is root, and this is the password, and this is the database name OBE system that we have entered in PHP my admin database. Now we will create another file, action.php. Click enter and write the code. By PHP include include db.php, that this file db.php, it will include this file db.php. Let's close it. Now insert contact. For inserting the new data, if is set $sign post, the post method will be used. Post insert $sign name is equal to $sign underscore post name. It will insert the name. this state this if statement will do when the user clicks on the insert, that is the insert button that is in front of that column, row, then it will redirect to the to the boxes where the user can insert new data. Name, close it. Sorry, the name spells are wrong. Now I'll copy it. We will do for mobile number, for email, and for address. Here also the mobile number, here will be the email, and the address. Now we will write the query and use the variable q, dollar sign, q equal to insert into, this is the mysql query, insert into contacts, name, mobile number, email, and the last one is address. And close it. And the values will be dollar sign, close it, dollar sign, close it, dollar sign, and close the query. Now we will make my SQLi underscore query, dollar sign, connect. Here we will pass just two parameters. The connect, which will this parameter, it is connecting our database, as you see here, dollar sign connect. It will connect our database with the PHP file, and our query of insertion, dollar sign q, this query, and close it. The spells are wrong query. Now it's time to add for update contacts. So we'll copy it. Here we will add a command, update contact. This will not update. When the user click on the update button, it will redirect to the update id. Here we will create another id. id $sign post id domain and the query. Update contacts set name is equal to $sign name, sorry, $sign name, mobile number is equal to $sign mobile number, close it. Email is equal to $sign email, and the last address is equal to $sign address, where, this is the condition. If we not write where, then it will delete all the code. Where id is equal to $sign id and close it. This is the whole query for our updation of name, mobile number, email address, and where the id. The user will give the id and it will redirect to that id. This query remains the same. Now it's time to do for our now we will do for the delete contact. Let's copy it For deleting a contact, we don't need the type of data, we just need write a simple query dollar sign q is equal to delete from contacts the table name where id is equal to dollar sign id. This will the id that the user wants to delete, because it is a uniquely identifier there, so it will delete the whole record of that id. If we want to redirect to the main page, then we have to write a simple line of code, that is header location, sorry, location dot php and close it, close our program. This file will receive form data and perform database operations such as insert, update and delete using SQL queries that we have write down in all like this all with the variable dollar sign $q. Now it's time to create the main page, which is index.php. Create new here index.php. Now write down the code. First php include the db.php file, include db.php dollar sign id is equal to dollar sign name is equal to dollar sign while number dollar sign email, and the last one address. If condition, if is dollar sign underscore get edit $id is equal to $, underscore get. Here we are using the get method. Edit. Now we will create a variable $res is equal to my sqli underscore query $, the query select asterisk from contacts the table name where id id equal to $id close it $row is equal to my sqli underscore fetch underscore array into or yes that variable name $name is equal to $row name mobile number email address email address equal to select spelling sign is equal to sqli underscore query $sign yes close. Now we will do for the contact form, so we will write heading h2 con contact it will fetch the data is equal to action dot php method will be post. Method is equal to post for id I is equal to name is equal to name equal to here we will again write the php code. php echo $, name and close it. We will write the required sorry, we are writing that for the id. I have wrote it for the name, so we will change it to the id. Value is equal to php echo id $id. Type is equal to text, name is equal to name, value is equal to php echo name, and a condition required. Number equal to mobile. The spell should be same as you have written in previous. Mobile number required. Email id is email, and here also email. Now for the address, name is equal to address. Here also also address button type equal to submit is equal to insert button type is equal to submit name is equal to update. Here also update. As our video has been become very long, so I paused it and write down the contact list form. Table border is equal to 1 call padding. It will create our table name, id name, mobile, email address and actions. And I have applied a loop which is while loop. As you see, we have also added our WhatsApp dot, and when the user clicks on the WhatsApp me, then it will redirect to the WhatsApp. Now let's save all the files. Control S and Control S. Open the localhost http localhost folder name system. Click enter. As you see, we have our contact form, ID, name, mobile number, email and address. ID name will be Salar, mobile 032, email Salar gmail.com, address Manavana. Insert. As you see, ID is auto incremented. ID 1 name Salar, mobile, email Salar, address. Here we have a few actions like I can edit, delete and the WhatsApp. When I click on it, it redirects me to the WhatsApp. Again move, and if I click on it, as you see, we have our ID, Salar name in our boxes. If I click on delete, it deleted the all the full row. We can add it. Now we also want to add the images of the user, so like user can upload its own image and it will be shown in front of him. We open php my admin and run a query alter table contents. It will update the table, add image like the image column will be shown, and click on go. Now we will check our codes. I have created a new folder which is uploads, where the images will be stored that the user will upload. I have also added this line image src uploads. This is the folder name php equal raw image. Width will be 60. It will show on the R file. And also in here I have also added a new box which is image, and here image type is equal to file, because the image is always file like jpg, png or pdf, etc. So the name is equal to image. Here like we added a few lines to do it. And now action.php. In action we have also added the image is equal to dollar sign image. In the update context, if image not equal to something, then the file image move uploaded file, it will create a temporary path in the uploads image files. We will save it control s sorry control s and control s, and move towards our local host. As you see, if I refresh it, here we have where mobile, email, Manavala address, and the image. If I put another data like slash mobile number 03 something, email slash at gmail, address or, and image, choose image, like I'll select this and insert. As you see, I have name, mobile number, email address, image, and here the few actions like I can edit it by clicking it, delete it. As you see, this has been deleted and also deleted. Hope that you have understand today's lecture. In upcoming lectures we will explore more.